guys, it's Kendra. So Kelsey and I are in Mexico. We are here with Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. And I'm in the bathroom. We're about to go to our welcome dinner that they're having tonight. It's at 7, it's like 6:30 now. We got ready early. I'm not naked, I have on top. Even if I was, he can't see anyway. So we're just finishing up, getting ready. My hands are ashy. So I'm still really sleepy because we woke up at like 5 a.m. because we do not stay close to the airport. So we wanted to, relax at our gate. I hate rushing at the airport because it's just too stressful. But our flight was at like 8 something this morning. So I'm so delirious right now. We didn't even take naps when we got in our room because when we first got here, they gave us a tour of like the hotel, and we're staying at the El Dorado. Yeah, the El Dorado Seaside, I think that's what it's called. And it's really nice. The staff here, they are so sweet. I haven't come across a rude staff member at all. They're so nice. We had lunch earlier and hours just went by. I've just been catching up on YouTube videos and unpacking. So that's what we've been doing since we got back in the room. I really wanted to take a nap, but I didn't get to take my nap. There's Kelsey.
Hi guys. I gotta pee one last time. I feel like I just peed.
I think I got a pee too. But I didn't get to take my nap, so I guess I'll just wait till I go to sleep later. Dinner is over like 9:30, so that's a pretty good amount of time. In the morning, we're gonna be doing some, I think it's our community service day, so I don't know what that entails, but I'm really excited about that because I love anything that has to do with helping others, and it just, I just love it. So I forgot what else they have planned. I think that we're gonna do a boat day or something, and then I forgot what else. But we're here till Thursday, so today's Monday. We're here till Thursday. This vlog that you're watching is probably gonna be the video that goes up for this week because we're this trip wasn't sprung on us, but I feel like it kind of creeped up right after New Year's. We had to start planning for this. So now I'm just like, oh wait, we ain't got no video for this week. So we didn't even get a chance to like pre-plan. So now
I still want to watch your vlog though.
You have this vlog to watch. So,
and sorry we forgot the vlog camera, y'all.
Yeah, I'm vlogging on my phone right now. So I have like the setup on top of some deep conditioners. Yeah. So that's where you are right now. That's what we're doing. This room is super nice. We don't have we've already like put our stuff down and stuff. So this is not the official room tour. I already put like a mini room tour on my Insta story when the room was like clean and untouched. Like, this is the front door. This is the bathroom, very modern. Excuse all of our stuff on the bathroom counter. So yeah, and then Miss Jackie's products right there that I'm actually really excited to try. Y'all know I only use the Don't Shrink gel, and I think I've used one of their leave-in conditioners before. But yeah, so those are their new travel size products and their new deep conditioners. And then there's the shower, and then the toilet is in there. And then this is the rest of the room. Pretty big room. So these are our beds. And then this is the balcony. We have like a swim up pool. It's a little dark out right now because the sun is going down, but we have like a swim up pool. That's the room. But yeah, we're about to go to dinner.
Obviously, we're here because we are celebrating not only the launch of our travel size collection, but the newly launched Butter Fusion collections. I hope that you all got a chance to take a look at the products in your room. Hopefully you get a chance to test them out on your own, but of course we'll be doing some lovely styling with your hair and our products over the course of the week.
John exposing beats.
Hi guys, good morning. The sun's coming out. It's a gorgeous morning. I watched the sunrise because I actually get up early enough here. But we didn't have enough time to vlog yesterday before we left, but we just went to do some community service yesterday at a school for kids with disabilities, and we painted a mural for them, and then the other half of the girls planted some flowers and stuff. The mural that we ended up painting was really pretty. It was cute and it was fun, and it was just really nice to, you know, leave a place better than you found it. So after a community service, we went on a boat ride. I think it's called Cardamom boat ride or something like that. So that was fun. It was actually pretty lit, which is why we didn't vlog when we got back to the room, because I was kind of sleepy because I usually don't day drink. I drink in the evening, but it was fun. It was pretty lit. So far this trip has been really good. So Aunt Jackie's knows how to throw a bomb vacation. But today is a spa day. We're doing like a relaxation spa day, wellness type stuff. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and then tomorrow is our last day. It's bittersweet because I'm sad that the trip is going to be over, but I'm also excited to get back home and get back to work. But we're about to get ready to go. We got to head down and meet everybody. So yeah. So it is, what's today? Wednesday. It's Wednesday evening, so we're about to go to our last dinner for the trip. We're gonna have like a rooftop dinner and then like a fire show after, so I'm really excited to see that. Today we had a spa day and it was amazing. Like, I wasn't expecting to enjoy it that much because the last time we got a massage, neither one of us enjoyed it. But today we got massages and they were amazing. I was so relaxed after. It was just vibes, all good vibes today. So nice. And then before that we did what they call water therapy. So we did like a jacuzzi, we did like this warm pool, and then my favorite, which was a eucalyptus steam room. Y'all, I need to do that like once a month, because you put like on this little mud mask like all over your body. Like, I couldn't take my phone in there because they said that they don't recommend phones to be in there, so we had to leave our phones. It was so relaxing. It was like eucalyptus when you walk in. Like, it felt like it was like clearing your nasal passageway. Like your my sinuses felt like more clear. It was like so therapeutic. So I would for sure do something like that back at home, like at a spa there. So it made me want to like try more spa treatments at home because it was nice. And then we had to like, of course, rinse off the little body mask that we had on. It was like a clay mask, so it was like a detox, and then you rinse it off with cold water to close your pores. It was bomb. I'm just explaining the process like y'all care. Anyway, this is the last day. We leave tomorrow. That this trip has been amazing so far. Erica and Charisma have been phenomenal. Yeah, this has been a great trip, and I feel like now I can get like 2020 like kicked off to a good start now, because I feel like before, like I had this trip on my mind, so we were trying to prepare for this. Now I can go back home and like get prepared and like, you know, go grocery shopping, get my life back together, because I've been seeing everybody else on like Instagram and YouTube like doing all their New Year's vibe stuff, and I felt like I couldn't do that yet because we had a trip to go on before. So I feel like I can do that when I get back home. So we're gonna get back to like normal scheduled programming, 2 videos a week. We might have a vlog like every other week on the vlog channel, of course. So yeah.
this year being your best year, full of accomplishments, great energy,
Yes.
new girlfriends.
Hi guys, so we just had our farewell brunch and we're sitting on the balcony. We leave in like a little less than an hour, so we're just trying to kill some time and just, you know, watch the beautiful ocean, listen to the waves crash. But our flight leaves at like 5, but we have like an hour like road trip like from the resort to the airport, so that's why we're leaving a little earlier. It's pretty much the end of this vlog. This trip was amazing.